How to add Robux to Roblox account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Then you will find Roblox sign on top right, simply beside search button and bell icon. Simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find all the Robux packages, including what is the price of it. If you want to purchase, simply click on it and then add your credit or debit card. After you have added your debit or credit card, Robux will be added to your Roblox account. If you have any kind of code, simply click on more located on bottom right and then click on gift cards. It will lead you to this website. Click on redeem card located on top right and then simply in here add your code. After you added your code, simply click on redeem and you're good to go. This is how to add Robux to Roblox account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.